Hi mates, welcome to my Leather Minute episode. Today I will teach you how to practice using retractable cutter to cut the leather sharp, straight. Quick memo, I use 30-degree angle retractable blade. It's easy to find anywhere, a stationery shop, and when it's not sharp, you can just use the plier or the end tip here and tap it off. So when you take it off, please consider putting into the tin can, glue can, used glue can like this for safety purpose. To sharpening the blade, old school method, I just use some leather piece, the underhide, put it here. There's a hair direction, okay? So I put it two ways, fall this way and fall this way. Sharpening wax, like this. And turn this way. Rub. Okay. The hair, leather hair go this way. The leather hair go this way. And I just old school, or use the blade sharpener. Can be found in $10 US, I think. And to practice using the cutter, I use a wedge tan leather in about 2.5 millimeters or 6 ounces. So try to hold the knife perpendicular to the earth, straight. Okay, the more you angle down, the more easier. See? Okay, and you may try to do this like cutting the torso. Okay, I'll show you this. See that? I hold the knife like I hold the pen. Put on my middle finger, finger rest, or like this. This way. Easier. Okay, here we are. Circle. So first I put the tip in, okay, like this, and just move a bit. So as I am the right hand person, I use the knife counterclockwise, because I just go straight like a little by little. Okay. The hand will always stay perpendicular, and when you cut, you just point the tip down, and you see the ring finger help stabilize the knife tip, okay, and it can turn easier. But if you turn this way, clockwise, it means that the ring finger and your whole hand will move the whole arm. But if you counterclockwise, you just move only the knife. It's more natural ergonomic position. So that's it for the quick tips of using the cutter for cutting the leather. So thank you for watching, and if you never see this before, please consider subscribe, like, and if you want to see anything, just let me know. I try to place a video every Saturday, and see you next time. Thank you.